Ito ang sarap ng kinain namin. Date na nung naisip kong i-video habang kumakain. So, paubos na yung noodles. Ito yung noodles. And their duck. Ang sarap ng duck nila. Very juicy, yet crispy the skin. And then, yung noodles nila. Di ba, Mark? How's the noodles? Sarap. At meron silang pickled garlic. Sarap. Sarap ng garlic. Oh, yeah. Yummy. At itong restaurant na ito is multiple Michelin Award. I don't know if correct kung tama yung pronunciation to. Pero yun ang restaurant dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Yan. There's the kitchen. Yan. Yan. Ang daming kumakain, guys. See, oh. Nagdaanan lang namin to at nakita namin na marami silang Michelin Award. Kaya, ayan, enjoy na namin. Ayan, busy-busy si Maring Roda kapag kain. Ito, masarap. Itong noodles, masarap. Masarap lahat. Ayan. Yummy.